This is the other the other dog. So I don't have a time to play with the dog, so they very scared of me. When they see me, I can't connect with the dog. The dog very scare me and don't want me to talk to him body. It's just a normal dog. It's a small size and has some rot to glow him. Don't run the other place. If don't have the rope, the rope will be get my dog, and I can make the video for you see. So don't comment why you get the rope for my dog. Please really the rope for my dog. No, nothing. You just say you want and I want to do I want. See you in the next video. I don't know how to talk and I don't know how to play with my dog. I'm very scared of the dog in my dog skin, and they want to be eat, but it's not time to land. Okay, wave. It's about a little time, about 1 hour. I put the dog eat meal, so don't worry about my dog. Let's see you in a video. Thank you.